Hi friends, good morning. So it's Miss E here again. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, we're going somewhere kasi may narinig ako na na isang kainan na meron silang free mangosteen tea. So dahil mahilig ako sa tea, so gusto kong makita 'yon. Kaya let's go mga friend. At saka medyo matagal-tagal na din hindi ako nakalabas. So, dahil long weekend today and kahit long weekend nagtrabaho tayo, but still, we still have one day na free. So, puntahan natin yung merong free na mangosteen tea unlimited. Medyo malayo-layo talaga siya pero parang joyride na rin para at least naman ang ating utak ay ma-relax. So, andito na tayo mga friends. So, the name of the restaurant is Hills View. So, this is just located along the highway going to Trento pero hindi pa talaga umabot ng Trento. I forgot the name of the barangay. So, this is a big restaurant in which meron sila mga binibenta na mga pagkain, of course, if you want to have breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Pero in their tables, they have like a thermos na full of mangosteen tea na libre lang yan. And if maubos mo yung isang thermos, you can actually request pa so that you can drink more. So, eto, very cute ang kanilang lalagyan ng rice. So, very maliit na kaldero mga friend. Ayan. So, these are their food. So, you have a lot of choices.
Beef steak, pork capital, and pork ano mo gusto?
So, eto ang food na na-order ko. It's a fish and tinulang manok. And as usual, I'm bringing some books. And now, this is the tea. Ayan, this is the mangosteen tea served by the waiter, no? So, kahit nandito na sa table, siniserve pa rin ng waiter, as you can see. So, ayan mga friends, we're going home na. So, yan lang naman talaga ang dinadayo ko. Medyo malayo talaga siya, pero one of my reason is joyride para kasi maano ang ating utak, ma-refresh kasi parang pagod na pagod na. So, yun lang mga friend. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. See you on my next vlog.